Hello and welcome back everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia. In today's video I will be bringing you a haircut featuring my homegirl Morgan. Actually went to high school with her and she ended up coming to me trying to get a big chop, like a pixie cut, but I opted to do a bob cut on her only because short haircuts are high maintenance, and a lot of people don't realize that short hair is like a you gotta see me every week type of thing, or you have to do it at home every day if you plan on doing something short where it's like curled or super relaxed. So we opted to do a bob haircut. So what I did was, because she booked us a trim only or a cut only, she did come already like ready to go, but I decided I wanted to do a bob, and of course I wanted to press her out and like do the final touches on her. So what I did was I opted to just go ahead and shampoo her hair, and then I went ahead and just started cutting in her bob. So with that being said, I just want you guys to keep in mind that this cut right here that I'm doing is just a rough draft, and then when I'm done shampooing her hair and going in and pressing her out, I will go ahead and even everything out and make it super precise. So I just put this in. Her hair was a little bit uneven in the front, so we opted to add a couple layers. I will turn the camera around in a second or just spin her around, but I was in the zone and I wasn't even planning on recording her, but I was just like, oh my God, let's do it. She was down, so here we are. So right here, we're just layering her hair just to give her a little bit of dimension and some body when we're done curling her. So now she's all shampooed. I did go in with the Fanola serum and add that to her hair just a tiny bit. And then I'm going ahead with my Rusk Speed Freak blow dryer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blow her hair out. Once I was done blowing her out, I just put her in the mirror just to put her part in and to see where she wanted her hair to lay. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start pressing her hair out. Once she's completely pressed, then I'm gonna go in and just make the cut super precise. So I'm gonna let this play through, and then I'll come back when that part is done. I was beat, so for some reason I started to bend her ends, and I was like, oh shoot, what am I doing? I need to go in and fix this cut and go in. So disregard, it looks like it's uneven, but I promise you guys it's not. And you guys know I'm gonna show you everything when I'm done. So yeah, I did bump the very back, and then I was like, oh shoot, let me chill. So I'm just adding a little bit of tension and stretching the hair out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and bump it. And again, I'm going through and just looking at what needs to be pressed. I'm looking at her hair. I'm gonna have her put her head down to the side, all of that, because I do see some straggly pieces. But trust and believe, we're gonna look at this cut from every angle. I'm gonna put her hair to the side, down, all of that, just to make sure there's no piece of hair that's left untouched. So now she's all feathered. I did lightly feather her hair, and I did go in and just fix any pieces that need to be fixed. Look at her hair moving. I did actually go in after this and just even out just a couple more pieces that I think that I missed. And I just added some of the kaleidoscope edge control on her hair. And then I just went ahead and just started zhuzhing her hair. So this is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. I did feather her with the intention of me just running my rake comb through it and just giving her a little bit of body and to blend some of those layers. So this is how her hair looks. I'm done. I'm beat. I have to help these kids with this virtual school, so wish me luck. And I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their evening. I'm just gonna slay her edges, and I'm just gonna spin her around so you guys can see the final result after I was done going in and perfecting everything. Sorry this video is short, guys, but I did not want to make it super long. I wanted to kind of get back to my short videos for a second just because I'm super behind on editing. But I appreciate every single last one of you guys. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.